Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat notifications. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, press and hold the Snapchat app icon and tap the info icon. You will be taken to the app info page for Snapchat. Here, under Privacy, tap Notifications. You can see that the notifications are allowed, but if you are still having problems, toggle off notifications and toggle it back on. Once you do that, tap Notification Categories and toggle on all notifications. And that's how you fix Snapchat notifications. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.